Hi everyone, this is going to be a very quick video in NotePlan in response to a question somebody asked about how I use code blocks, which look like this, in order to draft some things for social media with hashtags and app mentions without it actually showing up in the tags area in NotePlan. So the way NotePlan works is normally if I add a hashtag, you'll see that becomes a link because everything with hashtag Canva is then searchable. But when I use things for tweets, I don't want those to actually save into my tags area because really I'm just doing it for a social media post and that would bog down my system in a way that isn't organized for me. So how do I do this? There's two ways to use code blocks, and anything in a code block is ignored from the tag search in NotePlan. So that's why I'm using it. So the first way that I think is easiest is to just use 3 backticks. Anything between those 3 backticks becomes your code block area, and you can type in here and you can add any hashtags you want, and those will not actually be searchable hashtags. They won't show up in your tags area. So that's normally what I do. I normally just do, again, 3 back tick marks, and then I close the 3 back tick marks, and then I type in whatever I want here, and I add in my tags and my app mentions, just like that. The other thing that you can do if it's really just like a one-liner thing, something shorter, is you can just use 1 tick mark like this and put in a couple words. So just like that, that would also not show up in your references area. So it could be hashtag code, and that would not show up in your tags under hashtag. Now note that even if I do a search for hashtag code, for example, right here, it's not going to find that at all. But this one here, like if I did at NotePlan app, it's not going to find that reference. But if I just type in NotePlan app, then it does find it. So it can still search within the code block. It just doesn't work to match it with it actually being an app mention or a hashtag. Anyway, this went into detail for those of you who are looking to use code blocks to filter out hashtags and app mentions for things that you might post on social media, or maybe you have another use case that you want to do that same type of thing. So I hope this was helpful. Bye for now.